They're used to me calling them because I give them, vegetables and stuff. But at nighttime, when the sun goes down, where that fake chicken is, that gold one, they all perch up there at nighttime.
Oh, really?
Yeah. We call them Einstein. Actually a female. And that's a chicken.
Hi, honey.
Hi, Einstein.
I have a chicken. I'm showing her the
Where's your
Einstein.
eyes?
Oh, your eyes. Oh, yeah, they're there.
Fresh food, tomatoes, carrots.
Yeah. They like it when we eat salad.
Look at their feet.
And they got feathers on them.
You know you have a piece of spinach on your back.
Get packed real soon. And so she's laid on the eggs and hatched them. The duck eggs.
Hello, Mama.
It's cooler for them. Oh, it's too hot outside. This one here, the darker one, is Romeo, and then that one standing is Expo. I went for a ride on Expo when we first got him.
Ooh.
Yeah, they run pretty fast.
Much better behaved.
Better behave than the dogs?
Yeah.
No turkey? Yeah.
Baby turkey?
Yeah. Yep. Baby turkey.
How old?
I think about 6 months.
Oh, wow.
No, 6 weeks, honey.
6 weeks. Oh,
Oh,
Yeah.
6 weeks.
Yeah.
I always.
These are Morkie babies, Maltese and Yorkshire.
Yes, this is the girl that sold. The lady just came up the other day. Hers got taken by a fox.
Oh my goodness!
Somebody peed.
It's time, Mike.
Hi guys!
He's a happy boy.
Yeah.
He's always happy. His tail's going. Now I can't remember. He can't get up the stairs yet, right?
He just about gets upstairs.
He can go down the stairs, but he's not quite able to get up yet.
Oh, but can he like
He's learning to share with Mom.
Hi, who are you? Are you Mom?
That's Mom.
You're so friendly. You're so friendly. You don't want the carrot, huh?
Just feel comfortable. Why don't you?
You want the carrot? They just want to lick it. You gotta smell it. It's like at least they get their fresh stuff.
Yeah.
Right? So they expect and they get more nutrients from that too. They keep eating seeds, then they're gonna be fat. Like if we eat chips all day.
His dad's camping at
Really? His dad's camping.
Birch Bay.
No, stay. Come on, let's go. Baby, come. Oh, I know they love you. They love you.
I really like honey. Oh, you wanna come here? You wanna come up here?
You're a good boy, you are. Yeah. I'm always doing like the 649 happy dance.
Yeah.